Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd just like to talk to you about what it's like living in France. I know a lot of people might be curious as to what it is like, or you might just simply want to relocate to France and you're just looking for information. Whatever your reasons are, this is the video for you, so stay tuned. France is a country like any other country. They have their positive and they have the negative. No country is perfect. If you're looking for perfection, maybe you shouldn't be here on this earth because it doesn't really exist. You have to find your own joy within an imperfect world. That's just what it is, you know. So let's talk about the positive things first. France is one of those countries where you have a wide variety of food. Yep, wide variety of food, pastries, good excellent quality of wine, cheese. Oh my gosh, the French, they don't play when it comes to their food. Like, these people are serious, and the food regulations and level of every single thing is really and truly excellent, top quality. Like, everything is checked, back, front, side, you name it. Like, very strict food regulations here, so you don't really have to worry about things because everything is taken care of for you in that department. Another point is France have a very good educational system. Like, when you think about tertiary education and the cost of what it is, France is one of those countries where educational cost is low. Very good quality for low cost. You can really study and get your bachelor's, your master's, and top quality without have to worry about it being breaking the bank and you have to spend the rest of your life worrying about how you're going to pay for this. You understand? And another point is when it comes to healthcare, France is one of the best healthcare system in the world. Top-notch system, and the best part about it, it is free. Yep, you heard me right, free 99. You don't have to worry about getting sick. You don't have to worry about, Lord, my foot hurt me, what me I go do, I want to go doctor, me can't find the money, and locks, me not have health insurance. Every single citizens, residents, once you live here, you have access to health care round the clock, 24/7 at your doorstep. You don't have to worry about seeing a specialist. You don't have to worry about buying medication. Every single thing when it comes to healthcare is covered. France is one of the only countries in the entire world that have a system of solidarity where every single citizen, every single resident is totally covered. I mean, when you're thinking about retiring, when you're thinking about losing your job, when you're thinking about all of these things, like, the system is designed to protect you, to cushion you. It's a social system. Everything that you can think of, you know, nobody is higher than anybody. France is one of those countries where you have a 35-hour work week. You heard correctly, 35-hour work week. Like, France is big on work-life balance. For example, in Jamaica, I used to take my lunch break. And when I used to take my lunch break, I have to run to tax office, run to this place, get my little business done. By the time I done my little business, me have to worry about food, grabbing something at the fast food shop and getting something and hurry back to my office or stuff like that. In France, trust me, tax office lock. So might as well you find yourself at a restaurant, sit down, relax, and have yourself a proper meal. Because now when that happen, everybody closed, everybody gone to lunch, place locked down. You understand? But in every country you go, like, there is positive, trust me, there is negative. And one of the negative that comes with having a solidarity system in France where every single citizen is covered is that you have to somehow, some way, pay for this. And taxes is very, very high. Oh my God. Taxes here, it's a arm and a leg to what you really pay, comparing to what I would pay in my own country, comparing to some other countries. Like tax system, that's where you bite the dust. And another thing is the long administration process. I mean, you'll be waiting. Like France is a country where if you don't have patience to wait, you will get mad. You will literally pick out your hair and paperwork for this administration system. Exhausting. I mean, you will take 5 appointments in the same building where these people are doorway from one another, and they're calling you for appointment, asking you to bring the same paperwork that you give to them colleague maybe 2 days ago, and here they are asking you to come in and take the same paperwork. You wonder if they don't communicate with each other. Like they can't just say, John Brown, you have the file, and Nadia, please pass me. Like that don't exist. You have to call me to book an appointment to come in to bring the same paperwork I just give your colleague. Trust me, you will go mad. It will mad you. And if you come in here and you plan to live outside of Paris, best believe, speak French. Or learn to speak French. Because anywhere you go outside of Paris, them not really know English. It not exist. Very, very, very few people know English, and the ones that actually know English, sometimes it's not enough to even have a conversation. So you have to learn French. And they are big to just look at you and say, Parle français! Sorry. Don't understand? Je n'ai pas compris. Désolé, je ne parle français, je n'ai pas compris. It's just one of those places where if you don't plan and learn to speak the language, don't even bother come. Don't even bother. Or stay in Paris if you do come. Don't even think about venturing outside of Paris. Just stay in Paris. You know? Because French is a must. And the last but not least, please don't attack the comment, but I have to say this one. The French is not known for being warm, cozy, cuddly, and friendly. If you come in here thinking that you are going to automatically make friends, sorry, you have to work a little harder if you're not going directly into a school, an institution, or a workforce where you can meet people at your job or whatever. If you're just coming here to live, trust me, them not so warm and kind and friendly. You go at a bar, for example, and you're going to meet, say, I'm going to socialize, I'm going to meet somebody. I guarantee you, you will sit at that bar all night and watch people coming and going, and then dead before them say, hello, how are you? It's like, exist. If you don't willing to put yourself out there on a limb and go out there and say, hi, excuse me, I am here, look at me, bam. It don't make no sense, because trust me, then just pass you go, pass you come. It's like them not see you. Them come in them group, them leave in them group, them not interested for know nobody outside of them group. Them not so cuddly and, you know? Because living in Jamaica, as a Jamaican myself, like if I'm at home and I said, you know what, I'm bored, I'm at home, let me go down to the beach. If I go down to the beach, I must see a Rasta man that say, hey, what's up? What's up? What you going? You look nice. Can I talk to you? In France? None of that. You have to be the one to definitely take charge of that and put yourself out there, cause trust me, them be looking at you like, who you? Where you come from? Where you want? Oh, you're Jamaican? Okay. Go there, so go sit down. Can I tell you? It's just one of those places where you either love it or you hate it. You have to be open-minded and you have to just go with the flow and just find your way and fit in. You know, wiggle your way. Anyway, you don't know it's your girl. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any question, anything, just hit me up on the comments and I'll try to answer your questions. You don't know, just hit me up. Thank you for watching. Bisous. Au revoir.